questions from the exercise 3.2. This exercise is based on the operations on the matrices, like we have addition operation, we can have a multiplication operation, subtraction operation is there, and scalar multiplication that we discussed in the last video. So the first question is, here we have given three matrices A, B and C, and A is 2, 4, 3 and 2. Matrix B is given, this is 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Matrix C is given, minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. Okay, and from these, like we have to find each of the following. The first operation is that we have to perform is A plus B. So we have to add these two matrices. So matrix addition is very easy. So for the matrix addition, what we have to do is just simply add the elements, element by element. The first element of the first matrix, first element of the second matrix, that is 2 plus 1. Similarly 4 plus 3. The next will be 3 minus 2 and 2 plus 5. So the resultant is 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, that is 1, and this is 7. So this is the addition of two matrices. Okay, A plus B. Next we have A minus B. So here we have to subtract the elements. So A minus B means 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus minus, so that will be 3 plus 2, and 2 minus 5. So you will get the resultant matrix. Okay. Next we have 3A minus C. Okay, so third part of the question is 3A minus C. So here 3A is a kind of scalar multiplication. First we have to multiply this matrix A with 3, scalar number 3. Then we have to subtract. So 3A minus C will be equals to 3. Matrix A is 2, 4, 3, 2, and minus C. C matrix is minus 2, 5, 3, and then 4. So 3. How to perform this scalar multiplication? That is very easy again. Just simply multiply all the elements of this matrix A with the scalar number 3. So you will get 3 to the 6, 4 3 are 12, 3 3 are 9, and 3 2 are 6. And perform this subtraction operation. Yes, it can be done like very easy now. The next we have A multiplied by B, AB, and then BA. Fine. So means we have to, in the next part, we have to multiply these two matrices. That is the part number 4. A multiplied by B. That is AB operation find out करना है. We have to multiply 2, 4, 3, 2 with 1, 3, minus 2, and then 5. So how to perform the matrix multiplication? You have to take the elements from the first row and multiply these elements with the first column element. So 2 will be multiplied by 1, 4 will be multiplied by minus 2. So plus 4 minus 2. Then 2 will be multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Then 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Then 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5. So this is. And before matrix multiplication there is a check. What the check is? The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. That we have to check. So this is how to get. Similarly we can perform B into A. So this BA, first you have to write the B matrix, then A matrix. So in BA matrix, in the operation BA, that is the next part. While performing BA operation, so B matrix is like this, multiplied by 2, 4, 3 and 2. So while performing this operation, you have to take the elements like from this and then multiply the first column elements. Fine. Here you can see the matrix multiplication AB is not equals to BA. It can be that by chance, but this is not always true, right? So this matrix multiplication is like, you can say if you add two numbers, A plus B, it will be always is equals to B plus A. Fine. So here addition of two matrices is commutative in nature. Commutative means A plus B is equals to B plus A. If you add just two numbers, 2 plus 3 is always is equals to 3 plus 2. In case of multiplication, yes. But in case of matrices, it is not always true. This addition is commutative in nature, but multiplication is not. Like there are some properties of matrix operations that we will discuss in the next maybe coming videos. Fine. So question number 2 is again based on the addition of matrices. That is very easy that we can do. इसमें अगर आप चाहें, if you want, so we can have question number 2. So from the question number 2 we can solve second part. So what is it? A square plus B square, then B square plus C square. This is A square plus C square, and this is A square plus B square. These are the four elements in the first matrix. We have to add these matrices with 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC and minus 2AB. So if you add these numbers, if you add the element with the element, so this will give you A square plus B square plus 2AB. That can be written as A plus B whole square. Similarly, B square plus C square plus 2BC is B plus C whole square, and likewise A minus C whole square, and this is A minus B whole square. This is how to perform addition of matrices. In the question number 3, we have to multiply the numbers matrices. So again, it is very easy that you can perform. Before multiplication, please check is matrix multiplication is possible or not possible. For that, you have to check the number of columns in the first matrix must be same as the number of rows in the second matrix. Fine. Question number 4 is we are given with A matrix, B matrix and C matrix. Then we have to compute. We have to perform some of. In question number 5, again we are given with the matrices A and B, then compute 3A minus 5B. That is again very easy. Question number 6. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करते हैं. Question number 6 is we have to simplify cos theta. Then this matrix is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, and cos theta plus sin theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Then we have cos theta, and the fourth element is sin theta. Okay, so first we have to perform the scalar multiplication. So cos theta को चारों एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. Similarly, sin theta will be multiplied with the all elements. So we will get this will be like become cos square theta. This is sin theta cos theta. This is minus sin theta cos theta, and this will be cos square theta. Then plus this is sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta cos theta, and this is sin square theta. Now if you add these matrices, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1. If you add these two values, we will get 0. This will be 0 again, and this is also 1. So this is a kind of identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Fine. Next we have question number 7 that we will do in the next coming videos. Fine. So this is about matrix multiplication, addition, some questions from the exercise 3.2. So there are like 22 questions. So till today we have done with the question number 6. So thank you for the attending today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you.